Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix payment declined on Rebtel. This is by trying alternative payment methods. You see, if you've tried troubleshooting methods and it didn't work, you've tried contacting them back and it did not work, well, and your card continues to fail, the best workaround is just to try alternative payment methods. Like one, you can try PayPal. Link your card to PayPal. If you haven't already, create a PayPal account at www.paypal.com and link your debit or credit card to it. PayPal acts as an intermediary that Rebtel accepts. You can select PayPal in Rebtel. In the Rebtel payment screen, choose PayPal as a payment method. You'll be redirected to log into your PayPal account to complete the payment. Another thing you can do is to use a virtual dollar card instead. Sign up for a service that provides virtual dollar cards that work for international online payments. This is popular and there are some popular and reliable options in many countries, for example, Gray, Payday, Cheaper Cash. So once you've gotten a virtual dollar card, you have to fund the virtual dollar card by transferring your money to your virtual dollar wallet. It will be converted to USD. Then in Reptel, enter the virtual card's number, expiring date, and CVV just like a normal card. You can also decide to try a different card entirely. If you have another card from a different bank, you can try the card instead. Some banks have stricter filters than others. And if those don't work, just simply contact Rebtel support. You can use the in-app support, which is the best method actually, by going to the settings, tapping on help and support or similar option in the Rebtel app to use their live chat or email function. You can also send a detailed message to their official support email at support@rebtel.com. That is support@rebtel.com. So what you include in your message is your registered phone number, the exact error message you are seeing, the steps you've already taken, and the screenshot of the error if possible. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. By following these steps, you should significantly increase the chance of overcoming the payment decline error and getting your Rebtel account funded. Hope you found this video helpful.